Hey guys, in this video we're reviewing the Randstad Work app, a platform designed to help job seekers find temporary or permanent positions. But how does it actually work, and is it helpful for job hunting? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is the Randstad Work app? It's a mobile platform that connects candidates with job opportunities across a variety of different industries, from admin work to logistics and skilled trades. The app allows you to browse jobs, submit applications, and track your hiring process all in one place. Now, let's talk about using it. First, you want to go ahead and download the app and create a profile with your work experience, skills, and certs. You can set preferences for location, job type, and availability. Once your profile is ready, you can start browsing available positions and apply directly through the app. Some positions allow instant booking, while others may require an interview or additional steps. Another useful feature is notifications. So the app sends alerts for new job postings that match your profile, upcoming interviews, and application updates. This helps job seekers stay on top of opportunities without constantly checking manually. Of course, there are some trade-offs though. So the app's job availability depends on your location and industry. So some users may see fewer opportunities than others. Also, application processes can vary by employer, meaning some jobs require more follow-up than others. So who benefits mostly from the Randstad Work app? If you're actively seeking temporary, part-time, or permanent positions and want a central place to manage applications, the app makes the process much easier. But if you're looking for highly specialized or senior level roles, you may need to supplement it with other job platforms. So to sum it up, the Randstad Work app streamlines job hunting by letting you browse, apply, and track opportunities all in one place. It's convenient, easy to use, and particularly useful for those looking for flexible work.